Here we have some iterables. A range object, kind of like a generator. Each iteration gives you a new value, and we have a tuple and a list. You can see that we can convert a range into a list, though it's rarely necessary. Let's take a look at zip. You pass to zip iterable objects, and you get a zip object back, itself an iterable. When we convert it to a list, we can visualize how zip works. When you iterate over the object, it will take an element from each iterable passed and create a tuple. So what's it good for? For people coming from the C++ world, this might be the best way to go over each of these collections. While it's not wrong, Python gives you a cleaner way to do it. When you want to iterate over multiple collections, zip is the tool to use. Here we use the for loop's ability to manage multiple variables. It will take a tuple from each pass through the zip object and unpack the values into its variables.